Hello guys! So tingnan nyo naman guys. Hindi yan pawis. Ulan yan. Naligo ako sa ulan. Ayan.
One eternity later.
So dito guys, kakatapos ko lang dyan mag-yoga. Hindi ko na binidyohan guys kasi wala akong damit.
Few minutes later.
So for dinner guys, as usual, cucumber, eggs, coffee while watching anime. So guys, I didn't cook much because I'm not that hungry, and maybe because it's the ice cream that I ate this afternoon.
What the dog doing?
A few inches later.
So for breakfast guys, as usual, sweet potato and coffee. For lunch guys, I think I'm getting bored with this lunch, ragaba. So after lunch guys, I crave for something sweet. So I timpla Milo with milk. So for dinner guys, I prepared 2 eggs, cucumber, and apple. Na-trauma na ako doon sa omelette, so matagal-tagal pa tayo mag-o-omelette ulit. And of course, my coffee. That's it guys. Nakaka-amaze guys, kahit ganito lang yung kinakain ko, hindi ako nauumay. Tapos yung maganda pa nito after kumain, ang sarap sa pakiramdam kasi hindi ka yung busog na busog talaga or bloated. Hello guys, good morning. Tingnan nyo naman, strike 2 na ako sa ulan. Tingnan na lang natin kung magkakasakit tayo. Hello guys, so for my breakfast, I prepared 2 boiled eggs and cucumber. So for lunch is cabbage and munggo. Finally guys, it's the last cabbage that I prepared. So ayun na nga, nag-crave ako ng lechon kawali. Buti merong nabibilhan na malapit dito, kaya bumili na ako. That's it guys, thanks for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!